If you've created a presentation in Gamma and now you want to download it as a PDF, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you want to save it for sharing, printing, or keeping an offline backup, exporting your Gamma presentation as a PDF is quick and easy once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. First, log into your Gamma account and open the presentation you want to download. Once your presentation is open, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see either the share button or a three-dot menu next to your profile icon. Gamma gives you a couple of ways to access the export options, so use whichever one appears in your layout. Click the share button or open the three-dot menu, then look for export in the drop-down list. This is where Gamma keeps the options for saving your presentation in different formats. After you click export, Gamma will ask you what part of the presentation you want to download. You can choose all cards if you want the entire presentation exported as a single PDF, or you can select a custom range if you only need specific slides. This is really useful when you only want to share a portion of your deck instead of everything. Once you've chosen the range, the next step is to select PDF as your export format. Make sure PDF is selected so your presentation downloads in a clean, shareable document format that preserves the layout and design. After that, confirm the export and wait for Gamma to prepare your file. Depending on the size of your presentation, this may take a few moments. When it's ready, your PDF will download to your device and you can open it, print it, or send it to anyone you need. So that's how to download a Gamma presentation as a PDF in just a few simple steps. If this video saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.